Welcome to Doc Pro, and your daily podcast for learning real English in a simple and fun way. Let's start speaking English with confidence.
Have you ever walked into Starbucks and suddenly forgotten every English word you know?
You are not alone.
Millions of English learners can read English.
But when it's time to order coffee in real life,
They freeze.
today you will learn a real American Starbucks conversation that native speakers use every day.
Listen carefully,
Repeat out loud.
and by the end of this lesson,
You will feel more confident ordering coffee in English anywhere in America.
welcome to Doc Pro English Learning.
Let's begin.
Customer walks into Starbucks.
Barista says,
Good morning.
"What can I get started for you today?"
Customer says,
"Hi."
Can I get a medium latte, please?
Barista says,
Sure.
"Would you like it hot or iced?"
Customer says,
"Iced, please."
Barista says,
"What size would you like?"
Customer says,
"Medium is fine."
Barista says,
"Great."
Would you like whole milk or oat milk?
Customer says,
Oat milk, please.
Barista says,
Would you like any flavor syrup?
Customer says,
Yes.
"Can I have vanilla syrup?"
Barista says,
"Of course."
Anything else for you today?
Customer says,
Yes.
"I'd also like a chocolate muffin."
Barista says,
"Perfect."
Is that everything?
Customer says,
Yes.
"That's all."
Barista says,
Your total is $8.50.
Customer says,
Can I pay by card?
Barista says,
Absolutely.
Customer taps card.
Barista says,
Thank you.
Your order will be ready shortly.
Customer says,
Thank you.
Now let's practice some useful phrases.
Can I get a latte, please?
This is one of the most common ways Americans order drinks.
Would you like it hot or iced?
You will hear this question almost every time you order coffee.
Anything else for you today?
This means, do you want to buy something more?
That's all.
A simple way to say you are finished ordering.
Can I pay by card?
A very useful phrase for daily life in America.
Let's do a faster conversation.
Barista says,
Hi.
What can I get for you?
Customer says,
Can I get an iced vanilla latte, please?
Barista says,
What size would you like?
Customer says,
Medium, please.
Barista says,
Anything else?
Customer says,
No thanks.
That's all.
Barista says,
Your total is $6.
Customer says,
Here you go.
Barista says,
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Customer says,
You too.
Great job.
The more you listen to real conversations like this,
The more natural your English will become.
keep practicing every day.
And soon.
Ordering coffee in English will feel easy and natural.
Thanks for learning with Doc Pro English Learning.
See you in the next lesson.